Hello children, welcome to today's session. Okay, I hope you already finished all the exercises. Two digit number with a single digit multiplication and also multiplying a three digit number with a single digit number. I hope you all finished these exercises, Nana. Okay, now today we are going to learn the word problems, Nana. Okay, number stories, multiplication. Okay, nothing will be there, Nana. Here you should understand that what they have given actually. Okay, first we'll read the first one. Okay, mother has 12 spoons in a box. Okay, one box is having how many spoons? This is a box, 12 spoons. Okay, how many spoons will four such boxes hold? If one box will have 12 spoons, then how many spoons will four such boxes hold? Yes, if 12 spoons in a box, then how will do 4? So multiply 12 with 4. Okay, if you multiply 4 means 4 times 12. Here they are asking that na mother has 12 spoons in a box. How many spoons will 4 such boxes? So 4 times 12, 12. Yes, 12. Then 12 you should write here none. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Okay, if mother has a 12 spoons in a box, how many spoons will 4 such boxes hold? 12 is a 2 digit number, so you should write in tens place and ones place. Okay, 4 such boxes hold. One box will have 12 spoons, then 4 boxes will have how many spoons? 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 48 spoons. Okay, each box is having 12 spoons. Now each box is having 12 spoons. Then 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 12 you should do. 4 plus 2, 6, 3. 36 plus 12. 8, 4, 48. If you do like this also, you'll get the same answer, Nana, 48. Okay. Now you got it. One box is having 12, then 4 boxes. 4 times 12. Okay. The next one. Mother packs 2 sandwiches in a snacks box every day. Okay. Assume that your mother is packing 2 sandwiches in a box every day. 2 sandwiches. How many will she pack for the month of November, which has 22 days? Okay. Suppose November month is having 22 days. Daily if she is packing 2 then 22 days, how many it will become? Okay, 2 if you 22 into 2. Okay, 2 times 22. Okay, means 2 times 22 means if you do like this also you'll get 44. Yes, otherwise mother packs 2 sandwiches in a box every day. How many will she pack for the month of November, which has 22 days? So 22 days. You should write here 22. Each day she is packing 2 sandwiches. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 44. 44 sandwiches. Yes, next one. 2 dozen apples are packed in a basket. How many apples will be there in 2 such baskets? Okay, 1 dozen consists. 1 dozen is equals to 12 apples. Yes or no? 1 dozen means 12. Okay, 2 dozen apples are packed in a basket. How many apples will be there in such baskets? Okay, how many apples will there in such baskets? Yes, 2 dozen apples in a 1 basket. 2 dozen means 1 dozen consists 12. 2 dozens means 12 plus 12 24. One basket will consist 24 apples. Okay. Then how many apples will be there in 2 such baskets? 2 means 24. Each basket contains 24 means 2 baskets contains 24 plus 24. How much? 48. Okay. Then here how we'll do? One basket will contains 24 apples. Then 2 such baskets. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 48 apples. Yes. 2 dozen apples are packed in a basket. 2 dozen means 24. 1 dozen is equals to 12 means 2 dozens means 24. Then how many apples will be there in 2 such baskets? So 24 is multiplied by 2. Okay, now you got it, Nana? We'll look one more time. We'll revise. Mother has 12 spoons in a box. How many spoons will 4 such boxes hold? If one box contains 12 spoons, 4 such boxes contains 48. 12 4s are 48. Okay. Mother packs 2 sandwiches in a snacks box every day. How many will she packs for the month of November, which has 22? Each day 2 packs 2 sandwiches, then 22 days 22 is multiplied by 2, 44. Okay. If 2 dozen apples are packed in a basket, how many apples will be there in 2 such basket? If 1 dozen is equals to 12, then in one basket 2 dozen apples are there, means 24 apples. 1 dozen means 12, then 2 dozens means 24. Yes. 2 dozen means 24. Then 24 is multiplied by 2, then 48. Okay. Then turn the page. Father bookshelves holds 23 books. If there are 3 shelves, what is the total number of books? Okay. Here assume that this is a bookshelf. Assume that here 23 books are there. If there are 3 shelves, what is the total number of books? If each shelf contains 23, then this is a repeated addition. Add 23, 23, 23. Add 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 2 to 4, 69. Yes, 69 books will be there. Then how you will do? Father bookshelves holds 23 books. If there are 3 shelves, what is the total number of books? This will do in addition. Then coming to the multiplication. This is a repeated addition. Repeatedly we are adding. So 23 is multiplied by 3. Okay, 3 times 23. Yes. 3 times 23 is equals to how much? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 69. Yes. 3 times 23. Yes, 3 times 23. 23 means 69. 69 books. Okay, and then next, on to the next one. 11 bed sheets are washed every day in a nursing home. How many sheets are washed in a week? Okay, each day they are washing 11 bed sheets. Then how many bed sheets will wash a week? A week consists, week means 7 days. Is equals to 7 days. Okay, 7 days. Okay, each day if they are washing 11 bed sheets, then 7 days. 7 times 11 means 11 bed sheets. 11 bed sheets. 7 times 11. 7 times 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then if you add this, 77 will get. 7 times 11 means 77. Yes. If they are washing 11 bed sheets each day, how many bed sheets they wash in a week? Week means 7 days. 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Okay. 7 times 11. There are 10 mangoes in one basket. How many mangoes are there in 20 such baskets? Okay, 10 mangoes are there in one basket. Each basket contains 10 mangoes. Then how many mangoes are there in 20 such baskets? 20 times 10 then. 20 times 10 means 200. 20 times 10. 0, 0, 0. Okay. 1 2s are 2. 200. 200 mangoes. Okay. If you are multiplying 200 mangoes. Yes, how we'll get? Now I'll explain. See, there are 10 mangoes. 10 mangoes in one basket. How many mangoes are there in 20 such boxes? Mean 20 times 10 means 200. How? 20 times 10. Okay, how? 0. If you are multiplying any number with 0, you'll get 1 0 0. 1 2s are 2 means 200. Yes, 200. So 200 mangoes. Okay, I hope now you understood. Now one more time look all the exercises and try to practice in a rough notebook, Nana. Okay, try to practice in a rough notebook. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss in a live session about these word problems. Okay, no need to worry about that. Okay, these are the topics we learned till now, Nana. Shall we recap once? Multiplication. Multiplication means what? Repeated addition of the same number. And also we finished order in multiplication. Means if we change the order of the factors also, multiplicand and multiplier also, the product will not change. Okay, this is one thing. Then if a number is multiplied with the 0, then the product will so 0. If any number is multiplied with 1, the product will the same number. Okay, then we already learned the multiplication tables of 1 to 10. 2-digit number with single, multiplying a 2-digit number with a single digit number, and also 3-digit number with a single digit number. Okay, then here one exercise is here, Nana. Think and answer. Fill in the suitable numbers in the boxes. Okay, see here 1 3 13 is here. Here product is given. So if we add, we need to add a number here. That should then if we here we are adding, suppose 2 na, 3 2s are 6. This is correct? No. So we need to add the suitable number here, means which if we multiply these two numbers, the product should be 9. Okay, so here we should add 3. If we add 3, then 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, like this. Here one more is there. Then here one empty box is here. Here 2 is in ones place, 4 is a multiplier. So we need to multiply 4 with this. 4 2s are 8. Then here 8, here also 8. So here which number we need to add? 2. If we add 2 here, then 4 2s are 8. Then next one. Think, if here 5 is there, here one empty box is here. Okay, here 0 is there. Here which number we need to add? If we multiply any number with the 0, then the result will also be 0. So we need to add 0. 3 0 0, 3 5s are 15. Okay, the next 4 3 43. Here product is 3. So we need to, if we need to get the 3, then here 3 is there. So if we add 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 43. Like this you should think and answer none. Okay, now today this is the last session for your multiplication chapter 1, Nana. Okay, hope till now what we have learned, I think you already now familiar with all the topics. Hope you all understood the topics. One more time, all of you revise all the topics, read once. Okay, because tomorrow onwards we are going to do the worksheets. Okay, take care, bye.